SLU-Madrid video series. Video 1. How to use the SLU-Madrid student visa series. Congratulations again on your admission to SLU-Madrid and welcome. As you prepare for your time in Spain, the Office of Admissions is here to help orient you with the Spanish student visa process. Immigration is, at the best of times, challenging, and we commend you on undertaking the process of coming to study in Spain. Rest assured, this will be the first step in a rewarding experience, and by choosing to study in Madrid, you are setting yourself apart from the rest. The following videos will walk you through the process to obtaining a student visa to Spain and provide important pointers, tips, and timelines. While we are here to help, obtaining your visa to study in Spain is ultimately your responsibility. Please bookmark this series, add important dates to your planner, or even set a reminder on your phone. We'll also hold informational sessions and student visa frequently asked questions webinars in the months leading up to your enrollment at SLU-Madrid, so please check your email and come ready with your questions.